What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about whether or not I have stopped eBay dropshipping, because I haven't really been talking about it. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So eBay dropshipping. Have I stopped doing this because I haven't really been talking about it? Well, you're about to find out. So eBay dropshipping is a really great business model because we're selling stuff that we don't technically own. So we list items, we find them from places like Amazon, or if you're in the UK, you can use sites like Domeu, Vida XL, Argos, Tesco's, but we find items on these retail websites, we list them on eBay, then every time it sells over on eBay, we just take the money, go and buy it and have it shipped to our customer. So eBay dropshipping is really great if you have no money to start with. But there's a lot of moving parts and it can be a real headache. So if you're just starting out with eBay dropshipping, then you're more than likely not going to be using a VA and you're just going to be doing the business all by yourself. So that means you have to list every single day. It means you have to fulfill your orders. It means you have to do customer service. Now, with the customer service, that can be a real headache. I've had multiple times where I've had to speak to customers who said they purchased items and they didn't receive them, then looking into it, tracking everything, they didn't actually order the items. Then I had to go back and forth and explain that, and then you have to handle returns with other customers, and it's just a real headache. For that reason alone, I have stopped eBay dropshipping. Yep, I have completely stopped it. So if you've been watching my channel for a while now, I started the channel talking about eBay dropshipping, but over the last month or so I have been saying that I have slowly been phasing this out because I just don't really like it anymore. The amount of time and effort you have to put into eBay dropshipping for the profit that you get is just not worth it for me. And because I don't really enjoy it that much anymore, I'm not going to carry on doing a business that I don't enjoy. If I don't enjoy it, I might as well just go back to having a job. Now, don't get me wrong though, eBay dropshipping is a really great business model because, again, we're selling stuff that we don't technically own and we can start this business completely for free. Just me personally, I don't enjoy it anymore. I hate fulfilling orders, I hate doing customer support, and I just hate the business now. I don't find any enjoyment in eBay dropshipping anymore, and because I don't enjoy it, I'm just going to stop doing it. Now, there's so many other business models online where you can get a better ROI. You can make a lot more money doing a lot less work. So, for instance, I've started a low content book publishing business over on Amazon. Now, with this business, it's completely free to start because you can create these books completely for free. These books are notebooks, sketchbooks, blank comic books. So we create the interior of the book, we create the cover, upload it to Amazon, then every time that book sells, Amazon is going to print that book on demand, ship it to your customer and send you royalties. So with this, there's no customer support, there's no shipping items, none of that, and you can run this business in just 2 hours a day. So in the afternoons, I do my research and create the books. Then in the mornings, I upload my books through Amazon KDP. So if we take a look at my sales, I've been doing this a few months now. And what I made doing this in the last 2 months was a lot more than what I made in the first 2 months of eBay dropshipping. So let's just go to 90 days and I'll show you my royalties earned in the last couple of months. So as we can see here, these are all my books that I've been selling. The last couple of days I've had some really good sales. I sold 32 books on that day, 43 on that day, and 45 on that day. Now these last 2 days, that's actually $100 a day in royalties, completely passive. So let's go down to the bottom and we can see that's over $1,200 in royalties, completely passive, and £329 completely passive as well since I've started doing this business. And this is a lot more than what I made in the first 2 months of eBay dropshipping. Now, if you're interested in doing this as well, I do have a step-by-step course teaching you exactly what you need to do to start a low content book publishing business, and you can find that in the description down below. You can check out some of the videos on my channel, as I now have quite a few videos about selling low content books. So come over, check it out, watch the videos and learn about this business. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.